Today, we're uncovering the obvious signs that you're attractive to younger women, and what these signs can tell you about how you're perceived. 1. She flirts playfully. When a younger woman finds you attractive, one of the first signs is playful flirting. She'll engage in witty banter, tease you gently, and laugh at your jokes more often than usual. This type of interaction creates a fun and lighthearted atmosphere, and it's her way of showing interest without being too forward. I guarantee if she's teasing you more than anyone else, she's interested. Remember the last time she jokingly challenged you to a bet or playfully disagreed with your opinions just to keep the conversation going? That's a sign. 2. She dresses up for you. Another clear indicator is when she starts paying extra attention to how she looks whenever you're around. This isn't just about wearing nice clothes. It's about the little details, her hairstyle, makeup, and even the fragrance she chooses. You need to know, when a woman goes that extra mile, she's trying to catch your eye. Think about the last time you had a casual meeting, yet she looked like she was ready for a night out. She's doing it for you. 3. She initiates contact frequently. Initiating contact is a big deal. If she's the one often starting conversations, sending you funny memes, or asking how your day was, it's a strong sign she's thinking about you a lot. I guarantee, frequent and consistent contact means she's invested in staying connected with you. Notice how she texts you good morning or good night almost daily. She's making sure you're on her mind and she's on yours. 4. She compliments your personality. It's not just about physical attraction. When a younger woman admires you, she'll compliment aspects of your personality, your sense of humor, kindness, intelligence, or integrity. These compliments are sincere and reflect her genuine admiration for who you are. Trust me, genuine compliments about your character are a clear sign of deeper attraction. Remember her saying how much she values your advice or appreciates your outlook on life? She sees something special in you. 5. She goes out of her way to see you. Making significant efforts to spend time with you, even if it's inconvenient, is another strong indicator. She might rearrange her schedule or travel out of her way just to be with you. Believe me, when she's going the extra mile to see you, she's definitely interested. Think back to the times she's made last-minute plans work just to grab a coffee or join you for an event. That effort is her showing you that you're worth it. 6. She uses your name often. There's something intimate about hearing your name frequently in conversation. If she uses your name a lot, it's her way of creating a sense of closeness and connection. You need to notice this subtle yet powerful sign. She's trying to create a bond by making every interaction more personal. Next time you're talking, pay attention to how often she says your name. It's more than just a habit. So now that you know how to tell when she thinks you're attractive, what's next for you? Discover the things younger women love that few men do, or learn what qualities she loves. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.